Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this look right here, and it is an everyday makeup tutorial. This is basically a full glam but not much on the eyes, so it is going to be a bit too much for some people, but you can use just tinted moisturizer or whatnot. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video and let's get straight into the video. Firstly, I start with my moisturizer, and this is a moisturizer I have been loving for years. This is the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. Then we are going to go in with the L'Oreal Base Magique primer. This is the smoothing primer, and I honestly really like this primer. It fills in all the pores. Then I go in with my L'Oreal Secret Camouflage Concealer Palette. I really like this shade for just the dark circles and everything. So yeah, I am going to go with that orange shade right here. This shade that I have here is the SC4. And now what we are going to do is my eyebrow. So my favorite eyebrow product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I am in the shade medium brown. I do love the other stuff I have as well. I do love the Nature palette. I do like this Essence palette as well that I've gotten, but I do go for this usually. If you want to see my full depth eyebrow routine, then I will link that down below for you as well. So now we are going to conceal those eyebrows. To conceal these eyebrows, I am going to be using my Maybelline Fit Me, and this is in the shade 20 Sand Sable. So I've just applied that there, and I'm going to go out and spread it out with this. So now that the eyebrows are done, we are going to go in with foundation. I am going to be using my two favourite foundations for this tutorial. So we've got the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, and then we also have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. So you might be thinking, for an everyday makeup look, this is a bit too much, but I'm not going to do much on the eyes. I'm literally just going to put mascara on. But I do also use a tinted moisturizer as well, and the tinted moisturizer I love using is a Clinique tinted moisturizer. But yeah, so for this tutorial, and I guess for what I'm doing today, I am going to go in with foundation. With the Estee Lauder foundation, I am in the shade 4N1 Shell Beige, and then for the Hourglass Vanish Stick Foundation, I am in Warm Beige. I am going to also go in with this Tarte brush to buff all that out. So now we are going to go in with concealer, and I am going to use this Maybelline Fit Me, and also to highlight I am going to be using Maybelline Age Rewind. This is in the shade Light Pale. So I did put the Maybelline 20 Sand Sable in the inner part, and then for the outer part we are going to be using the Maybelline Age Rewind. So then we are going to go in with this trusty blender. I sort of do like to bake my whole face, so my makeup does not move. I am going to leave the under eye bake for a little bit more because I do like that area to be a bit more highlighted. So I will let that sink in a bit more, and I will be going in with my contouring. I am going to be using this palette that I have by Essence. It's a really good palette. It is the Get Picture Ready contouring palette. I'm going to be going in with the darker shade to contour, and then for bronzing I am going to be using that shade. If you need a brush to bronze the face, this is a really good brush. This is the 106 powder brush by Zoeva. And then we are going to bake here as well. I'm going to go in with this blush, and this is a Sephora colourful brush, and it is in the shade Charmed. It's a very nice peachy colour. And I am just going to use that with a stippling brush. So for highlighter, I am going to be using my MAC Mirror Skin Finish in the shade Global Glow. I'm just going to dip that in to this blending brush. And for the eyes, I am going to go in with this bronzer shade, and I am going to be using this 228 Luxe Crease Brush by Zoeva. So I'm just going to apply that in the transition area, and it's going to make the eyes pop a bit more. So that is it for the eyes, and we are going to go in with mascara. For mascara, I am going to be using this Lash Princess by Essence, and this is the False Lash Effect mascara. These mascaras are so good, so I'm just going to apply that. So now that we're done with the mascara, we are going to do the lips now. So for lips, I've been loving these two products right here. This is the MAC Lip Pencil in Well. It's a very pretty nude colour. And I have been loving this lip gloss by MAC, and it is the Mineralized Glass Telegenous. I don't know if I said that right. But this is the lip gloss I've been loving, and I have been loving these two combinations together. So I basically just get the shape with this lip liner, and I just go like this, and I get it all over the lips, and then I go in with this lip gloss. So let's do that. So that is the lip gloss, and it has like a little bit of gold sheen through it. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye!